Hello friends, today we will discuss AI and India's growth story. AI India. Hello friends, today we will discuss AI and India's growth story. AI is not a buzzword anymore. It has become a key driver of India's economic growth, digital transformation and global competitiveness. India, with its large talent pool, growing startup ecosystem, and massive digital infrastructure, is uniquely positioned to harness AI for inclusive growth. AI as a growth engine for India. According to NASSCOM and PwC report, AI could add $450 to $500 billion to India's GDP by 2025, contributing about 10% of India's 5 trillion economy goal. AI adoption is projected to increase India's productivity, efficiency, and global trade competitiveness. Second point is that government initiatives driving AI growth. The Indian government recognizes AI potential and has launched policies to integrate it into national development. Key initiatives are Niti Aayog's National Strategy for AI that was started in 2018, focused on 5 key sectors: healthcare, agriculture, education, smart cities and infrastructure, and smart mobility. Promoted the concept of AI for all, ensuring AI benefits to reach rural and urban population. India AI Mission 2023, with a budget of over 10,300 crore rupees, that is about $1.2 billion. This mission aims to build a large AI computing infrastructure, that is AI supercomputers, data sets and AI innovation hubs, talent development through AI education and skilling. Third is Digital India and UPI ecosystem. India's digital payments, Aadhaar-linked services and UPI are examples of large-scale AI-backed platforms enabling financial inclusion. AI transforming key sectors in India are agriculture. AI is helping farmers to increase yield and reduce risks. For example, Microsoft AI sowing app with Andhra Pradesh government gives farmers predictive insights on when to sow crops using weather and soil data. AI-based startups like Croplan Fasal use satellite imagery and sensors to help farmers to make real-time decisions. Healthcare. AI is improving diagnosis, treatment and accessibility. For example, AI-based cancer screening in partnership with Niti Aayog and Good Health helps detect breast cancer early in rural India. Startups like Cure AI use AI to analyze X-rays and CT scans, reducing diagnostic time in hospitals. It is called Pure AI. Education. AI-driven tools make learning more personalized. Example, Byju's and Vedantu use AI to customize study plans. AI-powered language tools to help bridge gaps in rural areas. Next is finance and banking. AI improves fraud detection, customer service and financial inclusion. Example, HDFC Bank's EVA chatbot answers millions of queries instantly. UPI fraud detection uses AI to secure transactions. Manufacturing and industry. AI-based robotics and automation boost productivity. Example, Tata Steel uses AI for predictive maintenance of machines. Reliance Jio leverages AI for customer analytics and telecom services. Fourth is AI startups and innovation in India. India is the third largest startup ecosystem in the world with over 4,500 AI startups, NASSCOM 2024. Successful examples are Gupshup, AI chatbots powering customer communication; InMobi, AI in advertising and marketing tech; Niram AI in breast cancer detection. Challenges for India in AI growth. Despite opportunities, challenges remain. Lack of high quality data sets, shortage of skilled AI professionals through India. Though India produces many engineers engineers, AI specialists are fewer. Ethical concerns, privacy, bias, job displacement, need for better AI infrastructure and supercomputing power. AI's role in India's future growth. By 2030, AI is expected to create 20 million new jobs in India in data science, robotics, AI ethics, and automation. AI can drive inclusive growth by empowering rural farmers, improving healthcare in villages, and expanding financial services. India has the potential to become a global AI hub like it did with IT outsourcing in 1990s, 2000s. Example in real life of AI during COVID-19, India used AI-powered platforms for contact tracing, Arogya Setu app, vaccine distribution, and telemedicine. AI in CoWIN platform ensured smooth vaccine rollout over 1 billion people, a record in digital public health management. So we can say AI is not just a technological shift for India but a strategic growth lever. With the right policy support, skilling, and innovation. AI can help India to move closer to the vision of $5 trillion economy while ensuring that growth is inclusive, sustainable, and global in impact.